Hey friends, welcome back to Wild Apple Homestead. Today's video is extra special. We're decorating a birthday cake and cupcakes for our son Callan, who just turned 8. He requested a chameleon jungle themed cake and some soccer themed cupcakes for his team, so I thought it'd be fun to share the full process of how we made his cake dreams come true, from our cozy kitchen to the final setup at his birthday party. We started by leveling the cake layers and stacking them with a smooth white chocolate ganache filling. For his cake and cupcakes, I'm using an already prepped batch of white chocolate cream cheese buttercream. I'll link the video in the description if you'd like to see how we make ours. I'm using naturally colored icing here, no artificial dyes, and a crumb coat to lock everything in place. After chilling the cake for a bit, it's time for that final smooth coat that sets the stage for our decorations. For Callan's cake, we went with something magical and earthy, a tree stump design with edible vines, chocolate rocks, and Rice Krispie chameleon perched on top. I used naturally colored buttercream to bring it all to life, black cocoa for the bark, cocoa powder for shading, butterfly pea tea flower for subtle blue cool tones, and matcha powder for the green leaves and the mossy texture. I hand-piped Callan's name and age on top of the cake with a bit of green buttercream. Nothing too fancy, but full of heart. Callan's face when he saw it was the best birthday gift I could have asked for. Making both of my children's dreams come true when it comes to their birthday cake is one thing I take much pride and joy in. I really wanted this cake to feel like something out of a forest, something a curious creature might be hiding on. And that little chameleon was the perfect finishing touch. It was hand-shaped from Rice Krispie cereal, covered in buttercream for a realistic look. This combo of the woodland cake and the playful soccer cupcakes brought both sides of Callan's personality together, curious, adventurous, and totally in love with soccer. For the cupcakes, we kept to the soccer theme, just for the team. Each one had a swirl of cookie crumb, white chocolate, cream cheese buttercream, super rich but not too sweet, and we topped them with soccer themed sprinkles to match the party. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed watching this cake come together as much as we enjoyed making it. If you're planning a birthday party or just love fun decorating ideas, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Wild Apple Homestead, and let me know in the comments what theme you've done and loved and you'd love to see next. Coming in November, I'll be doing another birthday cake series for Mattis when he turns 6. We'll see you on the next one.